come to the question number 4 of exercise 5.3. In this question, the given AP is 9, 17 and 25 and so on. How many terms are in this AP? We don't know. But it is given that sum of n terms are 636. कि इसमें जितनी terms हैं उनका जो n terms का sum है वो 636 है. We have to find the number of terms. हमें find करना है number of terms. We know that the formula Sn is equals to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So by this formula we want a, n, d and Sn. 4 terms are unknown, but here 3 terms are given. Sn is 636. What is a? A is 9. And what is d? That is a2 minus a1. That is 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9. And it is 8. Now substitute all the values in the given formula. We get Sn is equals to 636. We have to find the value of n. 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 into 8. So here we can take 2 by cross multiply to LHS. It will be 636 into 2 is equals to n 18 plus 8n minus 8, and it will be 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6 and 7 and 2 6 are 12 is equals to n, and 18 minus 8 is 10 plus 8n, and we will get 1272 is equals to 10n plus 8n square, and it is a quadratic equation in n. It will become 8n square plus 10n minus 1272 is equals to 0. We can take common 2. So it will be 2 4s are 8. 4n square plus 5n minus 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6 and 2 6 are 12 is equals to 0. So it is quadratic equation in n. Now we can find the value of n by quadratic formula. Now the quadratic equation is 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equals to 0. So now by quadratic formula we can find the value of n. Here a is equals to 4, b is equals to 5 and c is equals to minus 636. So we get, first of all we have to find d. D is b square minus 4ac. What is b? It is 5 minus 4 into minus 636. It will be 5 square 25 and it will be minus minus plus, and it will be when we multiply 16 into 6 we get, when we multiply 16 into 636 we get 10176, and when you add this we get 25. It will be 1 6 plus 5 11, 7 2 8 9 10, and it will be 2 and it will be 10201. It is the d. It is the value of d. Now taking square root of d we get under root 10201. Now we can find the square root of 10201. Make the pairs. We get 1 1s are 1. Now we can note down 0 2, but it is, and 1 ka square 2. So put here 0 and note down 0 1. So it will be 20 and 201 1s are 201. So what is the square root of 10,201? The square root is 101. It is the value of under root d. Now substitute the quadratic formula. Now x is equal, here it is quadratic in n. So n is equals to minus b plus minus under root d over 2a. So it will be minus, what is the value of b? It is 5 plus minus under root d is 101 and 2 into 4. Right? Now we get minus, first of all we have to take the positive sign, and another we can take the negative sign. We get n is equals to minus 5 plus 101 over 8, and n is equals to minus 5 minus 101 over 8. This will give the negative value, which is rejected, and it will be 101 minus 5 is equals to 96 and 96 over 8, it will be 12. So number of terms is 12. So answer will be number of terms is equals to number of terms is 12. It is the answer. So इस given AP की 12 terms आपको 636 sum देंगी. Come to question number 5. In question number 5 it is given first term is equals to 5, last term is 45 and sum of n terms are 400 and we have to find the number of terms and common difference. So we know that when L is given, we can use the formula Sn is equals to n upon 2a plus L. So here we can use the formula Sn is equals to n upon 2a plus L. What is the value of Sn? Sn is 400. What is n? We have to find the value of n. What is a? A is 5 and what is L? L is 45. So we get 400 into 2 over 50 is equals to n and it will be 5 8s are 40 and 8 2s are 16. So n is equals to 16. तो हमारे पास number of terms तो आ गए. Now we have to find the common difference. For common difference we can use the formula L is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is L? L is 45. What is a? A is 5, n is 16 minus 1 into d. So it will get 45 minus 5 is equals to 15 into d and 45 minus 5 is 40 is equals to 15 into d and d will be 40 over question number 6. In question number 6 it is given that for the given AP first term is 17, last term is 350 and common difference is 9 and you have to find the value of number of terms and the sum of the terms. जितनी भी terms आपके पास आएंगी आपको उसका sum भी निकालना है. You have to find the number of terms. Number of terms we can easily find out by the formula L is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. L is the last term, उसको a n से भी हम present कर देते हैं, आप किसी से भी कर सकते हैं. So L is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is L? L is 350, a is 17, n की वैल्यू हमें फाइंड करनी ही है and d is 9. 17 को उधर माइनस में ले आइए, 9 को डिवाइड में ले आइए. So it will be 350 minus 17 over 9 is equals to n minus 1. 350 minus 17 will be 3 over 9 is equals to n minus 1. It is 9 to the 27 and 9 7 is 63. It will be 37 plus 1 is equals to n. So n is equals to 38. So n की value are number of terms are with the sum of 38 terms. As 38 is equals to n upon 2 a plus L. Here n is equals to 38. अभी हमने value find की है. A is 17 and L is 350. Now it will be 19 into 367 and 19 into 367 is equals to 6973. So it is the sum of 38 terms. In question number 7 you have to find the sum of 22 terms and it is given that common difference is 7 and 22nd term is 149. So let us assume that first term of AP is A. हमने सपोज कर लिया कि AP का फर्स्ट टर्म A है. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is n? N is 22. So a 22. Here n is 22, d is 7 and a 22 is 149. It will be a plus 22 minus 1 into 7. So a 22 is 149. a 22 की वैल्यू 149 रखी हमने and a plus 22 minus 1 is 21 into 7 and it will be 149 is equals to a plus 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14 and 149 minus 147 is equals to a and there implies a is equals to 2. तो a की वैल्यू हमारे पास आ गई 2. आपको फाइंड करना है S22. So By the formula Sn is equals to n upon 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We can find the value of S22. Substitute all the values. N is 22, n is 22, and a is 2 plus n is 22 minus 1 is 22 minus 1 is 21 into d, and d is 7. Now calculate it. It will be 11, 4 plus 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14, and it will be 11 into 151, and 11 into 151 will be 1661. So sum of 22 terms will be 1661. Answer. In question number 8, it is given second term is 14 and third term is 18, and we have to find the value of sum of 51 terms. From the help of the second term and third term, we can find the value of a and d, and with the help of values of a and d, we can find the sum of 51 terms. So let's start the question. Let first term is equals to a and common difference is equals to d. Second term is 14. So by the formula a plus n minus 1 into d, we can write a plus d is equals to 14. It is equation number 1. And third term is 18. And we can write a plus 2d is equals to 18. It is equation number 2. By solving these both equation, we can find the value of d. A plus d is equals to 14. Now change the sign. So by elimination method, we get the value of d. So d is equals to 4. Substituting d in equation number 1, we get the value of a. So a plus 4 is equals to 14. Then a is equals to 14 minus 4, and a is equals to 10. a की वैल्यू हमारे पास आ चुकी है, d की वैल्यू हमारे पास आ चुकी है. अब हमें फाइंड करना है सम ऑफ 51 टर्म्स. सो नाउ by the formula Sn is equals to n upon 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We can find the value of S51. Where what is n? N is 51. So it will be 51 over 2. 2 into a. A is 10. N is 51 minus 1 is 50. And what is d? D is 4. So simplify it. We get 51 over 2. 10 twos are 20. Plus 50 into 4 is 200, and we get 51 over 2 into 220, and it will be 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. It will be 0. 51 into 110, and when we multiply 51 into 0, we get 5610. So sum of 51 terms will be 5610. It is the answer. In question number 9, sum of 7 terms are 49 and sum of 17 terms are 289, and we have to find the sum of n terms, right? So let first term be a and common difference is equals to d. Sum of 7 terms is equals to 49. So by the formula Sn is equals to n upon 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We can write all the values here. Sn is 49. What is value of n? It is 7. So 7 over 2. 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6, 6d. So it will be 7 7s are 49, it will be 7 2s are 14. 14 is equals to 2a plus 6d, and we can take 2 common. It will be a plus 3d is equals to 7. It is equation number 1. In the same way, from the sum of 17th term, sum of 17th term is 289. Now use the formula Sn is equals to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is S17? N is 17, so 17 over 2, 2a plus 16d. S17 is 289 and 17 upon 2, 2a plus 16d. And 17 into 17 is 289, 17 to the 34, 34 is equals to 2a plus 16d. Now we can take common 2, it will be a plus 8d is equals to 17. It is equation number 2. From the help of equation number 1 and equation number 2, by elimination method, we can find the value of a and d. So it will be a plus 8d is equals to 17. Change the sign, we get minus 5d is equals to minus 10. Minus and minus cancel and d is equals to 2. So we can substitute d in equation number 2. We get a plus 8 into 2 is equals to 17 and a is equals to 17 minus 16 is equals to 1. Now come to the question, we have to find the value of Sn. Sn is equals to n upon 2, 2 into a. What is a? 1 plus n minus 1 into d. What is d? It is 2. So it will be n upon 2, 2 plus 2 and minus 2. 2 से 2 cancel हो गया and 2 से 2 cancel हो गया and sum of n terms will be n square. Answer.